Hello there and welcome to another one of these Lexical Lab 1 minute English videos. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about our online courses. My mum is 79 at the moment, and over recent months she's been engaging in what is apparently called Swedish death cleaning. Basically, this means decluttering your house, getting rid of loads of stuff, so that eventually, when you do go, your loved ones don't have to do all of this for you. She was explaining this to my daughter the other day, and my daughter's very close to her grandmother. And my daughter got quite upset by hearing the phrase Swedish death cleaning and begged my mum not to use the term. My mum just sort of shrugged and said, listen, I do need to start thinking about these things as I am getting on a bit now. If you say that someone is getting on a bit, it's a kind of gentle, soft, humorous way of saying they're getting old. So you might say, for example, my folks aren't as young as they used to be. They're getting on a bit now. I mean, my mum will hit 80 next year. You might use it jokingly about yourself. You might say, I'm getting on a bit now, me, and my memory's not what it used to be. Or maybe, I can't stay out as late as I used to when I was younger, because, I'm getting on a bit now. You might also use it about machines. So maybe, like me, you've got a car that you've had for a good couple of decades, and basically it's on its last legs. So you might say something like, wow, my car's served me really well over the last 20 years, but it is getting on a bit now. It's probably time to start thinking about a replacement. If you've enjoyed this video, please do click the like button. Please share it on social media with your friends, your students, your colleagues, and in the comment section below, we'd love to see examples of how you might use getting on a bit.